Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Hotmir Eyelash Growth Serum. It also works on eyebrows. It's a trustworthy eyelash serum, over 10 years of professional production experience with strong technical force in the beauty area. You will get longer, thicker, fuller, and healthier lashes with this lash growth serum. Eyelash growth is effective in 60 days, so 60 days or less, you should see naturally long lashes and eyelash regrowth within 60 days or less, and the first visible effectiveness will be in about 2 to 3 weeks if you use this on a regular basis. I will use this before bed on my eyebrows because I sleep a certain way and some of my eyebrows actually fall out on my left eyebrow, and I found that it doesn't sting like other eyelash serums do, and this is just a really great little product. It's a proven eyelash growth serum. The formula has been proven to give you healthier, longer, thicker, fuller eyelashes in about 2 to 3 weeks. The eyebrow serum is made with secure and natural ingredients. And also easy to use an eyebrow growth serum. Just apply the lash growth serum to the root area of your upper and lower eyelashes and brows daily, 1 hour before you go to bed, just like you draw your eyeliner on. I'm not super great at drawing eyeliner, but I find this product to be pretty easy to put on. It actually comes with a 100% money back guarantee, and they'll refund you if you do not see any results in 60 days. Now, I've only been using this for about 3 to 4 weeks, but I've noticed some growth. I'm going to show you what the product looks like inside the box. This is, it's how many ounces? It is, let's see, I don't know, it says V4 fluid ounces, 7.5 milliliters. This is what the product looks like itself, and it's a clear serum with a little brush that you just paint on at your root line of your eyelashes and also on your eyebrows. I bought this because as I'm getting older, I've noticed that I don't have as thick and lush of lashes that I would like. I supplement with fake lashes. I've never gotten any eyelash extensions because I heard that eyelash extensions will cause damage, but an eyelash serum, growth serum, I will absolutely use, and I will absolutely use fake eyelashes because fake eyelashes are fun. So this is absolutely a great product. If I don't see lashes in 60 days or brows in 60 days, I can get my money back. So I would definitely check it out and try it. It's worth a shot. I mean, why not? You know, it's better than nothing. And if it proves to do all the things that it says it does, I think it's a pretty good trade-off. So, and you know, I know some people that will actually pluck their eyebrows out. They have like trichotillomania, and I know I have a friend who actually uses this product. She's the one who recommended it to me, so I bought it and tried it out, and my eyebrows are pretty full, but they can be fuller. I like a full brow look, and of course, who doesn't want longer eyelashes? My sister has amazing eyelashes. Maybe one day she might need this, but I highly doubt it. But yeah, I've always had pretty long lashes, but like I said, as I'm getting older, they're not as luscious as they used to be. So yeah, the Hotmir Eyelash Growth Serum and also Eyebrow Serum, highly recommend. Right now I would give it a 4 out of 5. And you actually, it's you want to be consistent and do a morning and night application, not just a night application, but a day and night application, and you should see results in 7 to 10 days, and 2 to 3 weeks you should see your lashes obviously thicker, darker, and fuller. The whole course of the treatment needs about 2 to 3 bottles of the eyelash serum. That's one drawback, but yeah, it's a good thing to add to your beauty arsenal. Who doesn't want longer lashes? So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.